Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing tabs versus spaces and the numeric width you want, typically 2, 4, or 8. Open your editor's global settings immediately and look for indentation or tab size entries. Do not assume defaults. Once done, inspect the project root for an editor config or IDE project file because those can override your global choice. Make sure to set both the width and whether to insert spaces, so files remain consistent across collaborators and tools. You now modify the concrete settings in VS Code Edit Settings, JSON to set editor, tab size and editor. Insert spaces. In Sublime, change translate tabs to spaces and tab size. If your project uses editor config, add indent style and indent size so tools and CI honor the choice. Once you save these files, reload the editor window or restart the IDE to make sure language-specific extensions pick up the change. Also confirm any formatter, prettier, Clang format, is configured to match. You finish by verifying effect. Open several files and view indentation markers or show invisibles. Convert legacy files with the editor's reindent or run your formatter across the repo so history stays consistent. If diffs show unexpected changes, inspect. Git attributes and Git settings for whitespace normalization. If your changes are ignored, make sure no workspace level settings, language-specific config, or installed extension is overriding preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable extensions to isolate the override and then re-enable after correcting the source of conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.